Number 23 of the EOC Math 3 practice test. The difference of cubes identity will be used to determine the difference between 216 and 64. So you can see that that is given here. All right, now it shows us that the difference of A and B is 2, A squared is 36, AB is 24, and B squared is 16. So there's a couple different things you can do. First, if you know what number squared is 36, that's probably going to give you the answer. But if you don't, let's look at finding the cube root of these numbers. All right, so you can find the cube root of 216 and the cube root of 64. And you can do that by just using your calculator. So if you pull up your calculator and you go to Math, and you scroll down to number 4, and you can do the cube root of 216. And then we can also do the cube root of 64. So this tells us that our cube root is 6 and 4. Now, let's see if that makes sense. So that would mean our A equals 6 and our B equals 4. Now, if we do A minus B, 6 minus 4 is 2, so that works. And then 6 squared is 36, that works. A times B, 6 times 4 is 24, so that works. And B squared, 4 squared is 16, so that works. So that tells us that A and B, A is 6, and B is 4. And it says select 2 that apply, and we have done that. So the answer is M and S.